Hello guys, welcome! Let's make a chocolate brownie in the shape of a pizza. Well, I mix 300 grams of sugar with 3 eggs at room temperature and mix well until it becomes creamy and the sugars are almost dissolved. Now I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix. In another bowl, I combine 150 grams of vegetable oil with 65 grams of cocoa powder until it becomes like this. Now I mix the ingredients together and mix well. It's time to add flour to the ingredients. Of course, to prevent lumps, I sift the flour and mix well until it becomes smooth. I pour the ingredients into a pizza mold that I have covered with non-stick paper and bake for 28 minutes at a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius. To decorate it, I spread chocolate ganache and sprinkle jimmies on it. Now your brownie pizza is ready to eat. By the way, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.